Hello ladies, gents, and anything in between, and welcome to this math tutorial on logarithms. In this video, you will specifically learn about how to condense logarithmic expressions, as dealing with equations holding 4 to 5 expressions is more difficult when you can just have one logarithm. Although we are not going to have our example hold 4 to 5 logarithms in it, we are instead going to have two expressions within it to make both our lives easier, and because the methods shown here can be used in all logarithmic equations. To start things off, we need our equation, that being 2 log 3 times 12 minus 6 log 3 times 7. Obviously, with this one, our two equations we want to bring together are 2 log 3 times 12 and 6 log 3 times 7. With that in mind, we can start with the first problem at hand. Are they compatible with condensing with one another? To determine this, we need to make sure that the logarithms are the same. So let's say if it was log 2 and log 3, we wouldn't be able to condense it down any further. However, if they were, let's say, log 3 and log 3, we would realize we would be able to condense it down further, and we can continue on with the condensing. So now we need to get the first number out of the way so that we can get a singular logarithm in this situation. That being 2 and 6 need to get out of the way. So the way we do that is to convert them into exponents for our argument, that being 12 and 7 respectively. So now our equation can become log 3 12 to the second power and log 3 7 to the sixth power. Now we just have one final step to deal with, and that's dealing with that subtraction symbol, which can easily be explained as, in this situation, it just determines what happens to the arguments on both sides. With it being, if it was addition, there would be that the 12 to the second power and 7 to the sixth power would be multiplied with one another. But in this situation, it's a subtraction symbol, so that means that the 12 to the second power is going to be divided by the 7 to the sixth power. With that out of the way, we can just write that off and we can call it a day, as we now have log 3 times 12 to the second power divided by 7 to the sixth power, which is now condensed into one logarithmic expression. Now, the only difference being with subtraction and addition is instead of being divided, addition will cause the arguments to multiply with one another. So keep that in mind when doing your own condensing of logarithms. Thank you for watching.